The Nigerian Police Force don release the members of the People's Democratic Party wey dem bin arrest and carry go Abuja some weeks ago. Una go remember say before the Edo 2024 governorship election, the People's Democratic Party cry come out on different occasions say the Nigerian Police Force dey harass and arrest their members and dey carry dem go Abuja direct. To ensure peace for the Edo 2024 governorship election, the National Peace Committee (NPC) come organize one signing of peace accord as dem meet with all the stakeholders, but the PDP no gree sign am as the party chairman Dr. Anthony Azigbemekon tok say dem go only sign the peace accord if the Nigerian police release their members wey dem arrest. As at today, dem don release dem and dem come hold one meeting wey shele for Government House, Benin City, where Noel Matthew from Esa North East and other party members wey dem be also arrest come share wetin dem experience for detention.
My name is Noel Matthew. I'm from Esa North East Local Government, Edo State. I'm a full member of the PDP, People Democratic Party, and I'm from Wetin. I'm the chairman of the Drug and Human Trafficking in my local government, under the Local Government Council. On the 9th of September, before 3 months ago, I was in my house. I have a friend who is a member of APC. He's a youth leader of the All Progressive Congress. So he told me that the last meeting that they went to, it was all about me, that they vowed to get me arrested before the election. So they were not deliberating that he was not pleading with the leader who said he must arrest me before the election, that he should arrest me a week too. The man said no, he's going to arrest me a month too, that I'm already campaigning vertically for this PDP. So the pledge with that, what he told me, so I should be careful that they have make a vow that they must be arrested before the election. I said, there's nothing that such politics has never been practiced in my local government. I don't believe you, because it's politics. You can come here and come there anytime, any day. So I don't believe you. So I was there, was warning me, and he's a member of APC. So on the 9th of September, I was in my house, in my uncle's house with my brother. So at that, about 12, almost a.m., midnight, I had a very strong knock on our gate. I said, who is that? They said, it's the police. I said, police from where? Division or area command. They said, from division. I said, make sure your name, because I know them all. Just give me your name, and I will know I'll come out. Because the local government is not very secure, because of kidnappers and every other thing that is going on in the local government. So they said, no. Before you know it, started shooting gun, rampantly everywhere. They passed through my gate, cut the barbed wire, passed through the gate, entered our compound, and started shooting gun. So they brought one iron, broke the door, put in tear gas through the glass, broke our doors, and forced ourselves in. They stole our money. I'm phoneless now. They stole my phone, my ATM card. I was in the of that already. So before you know, they took us, and we were unable to make call to even contact anybody. They took us to the state side. From there, at about 4 to 5 a.m. in the morning, they drove to Abuja.
Thank God for the state government. Thank God for the state government, who was running head-to-scatter to make sure we were released. And they could have not released us, if not the fact that they came from Abuja, that the governor should sign a peace accord with them. The governor said, my people are being arrested innocently for no reason. And now you are telling me to sign a peace accord, except for the fact that you release my people, that they're in Abuja right now, suffering for nothing. That is where the IG now gave order to the commander at IRT, Federal Investigative Bureau, FIB. They now asked us to come out, and they took us to court. We were in dungeon for more than 2 months.
When I went out from my room, I saw some policemen in the corridor. Even some came into my room. They surrounded the house, at about 19 of them. So they asked me what's my name. I said my name is Honorable Kingsley. But I don't used to be called as Kingsley. Even my mom doesn't know me as Kingsley, because the name they called me was strange to me. So they normally know me as Kizo Inuromi. So from there, he now said, I'm under arrest. I said, what happened, sir? He said, when we get to the station, that he will explain everything to me. So from there, he asked me to put on my clothes, which I did. So he asked me to bring my hand. So I gave him my hand. They put a handcuff on my hand. So he took me to the station. I was at the station. We did not spend 2 minutes at Uromi Area Command and Division. So from there, they drove out of the station. So they took me to Benin. So while we were in Benin, so calls started coming in. So my uncle came, that was the regional bank manager in First Bank Benin branch here. So that one wanted to bail me out, so which they refused. So they asked all the station guard and all. They asked them, nobody should have any access to me, and they should not give me any phone to make up. So from there, I was there for 3 days. So one lawyer came. So the lawyer came. So the lawyer asked me what happened. So I told her my story. So the lawyer now said on Monday that she will be coming. On Monday by 4:30 to 5 a.m., they came to the state CID. They took me out of the station. They put me inside the bus, myself and one other friend of mine. So they took us they drove through Lagos Road. So I was thinking that we are going to Lagos. From there, we now came out through Auchi side. So when I saw Auchi signboard, that was when I know these people, they are going to Abuja.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. From Government House, Benin City, Ekata Ojisele, TMC TV News.